All right, now here's an example of an invalid syllogism. Using Euler diagram to show that the syllogism is invalid. All right, all tigers are meat eaters. So I would need a circle for the meat eaters. Here's all my meat eaters. And then all tigers have to be inside of that. And that's where tigers would be. All tigers are meat eaters. Then it goes on to say that Simba is a meat eater. Okay, so Simba has to go somewhere within the red circle. However, there's two spots I could place that dot. And this is going to be a dot for S. So Simba could be right here, but he also could be here. They didn't give me enough premises to decide which place I can put him. So when you go to look at their conclusion, which is Simba is a tiger, I don't know that for sure. If he's here, he would be a tiger, but what if he's here? That makes it invalid. I could put him right here, and because of that, he's not a tiger. Of course, who are we kidding? We all know Simba is not a tiger. Simba is a lion, right? From the Lion King. Okay. Next. And then you can see their picture there. They did the same picture I did, except they used a lovely tiger's head. All right, now, the quantifier of some can be misleading in syllogisms because all of these pictures represent the premise that some A's are B's. Now I want to disagree with choice B because B looks like all A's are B's. But it's clearer on this one because when you intersect blue and pink, you do get, okay, that's supposed to be purple. What the heck? Purple. There we go. Blue and red make purple. Oh, that's not even coming out purple. All right, fine. I will go to this purple color. Here we go. Right there. That one right there looks like a definite sum because sum of circle A is touching sum of circle B. So some A's are B's. This one here, I have a circle within a circle. So in my brain, this isn't all A's are B's. I don't even know why they're considering that, but I don't know. And then on this one, the last one, choice C, all of the A's that are within this circle are also B's, but the part where it says some, the some that are not, they would be out here. Those are the A's that are not B's. So I could say some A's are B's from that picture also, because they're like around the outside. But I disagree with the choice B there, the one in the middle. I don't agree with that. But anyway. Okay, so is the syllogism valid or invalid? All right, so here we go. All cars manufactured after the year 2007. So this is going to be the purple circle is all cars manufactured after 2007 have driver's side airbags. So the green circle represents all of the driver's side airbags. Okay, so let's see. How do I want to? This would be driver side airbags. There you go. And the purple one is cars manufactured after 2007. I gotta label it somehow, so I know what I'm looking at. All right, now the next part says some cars with driver's side airbags. Okay. Some of the cars with the driver's side airbags. So we're talking about the green circle. We're saying some of that green circle they have passenger side airbags. Okay, so there's two ways I could draw this. I just have to make sure that my blue circle crosses over the blue one. I didn't say that right. I just have to make sure my blue circle crosses over the green one. Because then this right here would be the sum. Sum of the green circle is also blue. Because this would be passenger side air bags. Okay. I could draw it like that, but I could also draw it like this. I'm not going to label these, I'm just going to use the colors. I'd still have a circle within a circle, but then I could draw this blue one so that it's like that. Or I could draw it, oh, there's a third way I could draw this sucker. This, and this, and then this. They only gave me 2 premises. All cars manufactured after 2007 have driver side airbags. So that's a circle within a circle. But then when they say some of the cars with driver side airbags, so some of the cars within that green circle have passenger side airbags. And that's all they give me. So I could do it like I did right here, where this is my sum. Or I could do it right here where this is my sum. Or I could do it right here where this is my sum. And the first way I drew it, this one here, this would be, there would have to be a third premise that would say no cars manufactured after 2007 have the passenger side airbags. This one would be some cars with passenger side airbags were manufactured after 2007. And this would be some cars with passenger side airbags, or I guess all, I have to say all cars that were manufactured after 2007 would have passenger side airbags. So since there's three ways to draw it, it is not valid. This is not a valid, whoops, because this would be the only, oh no, sorry. Yeah, the some cars with passenger side airbags were manufactured after 2007. Their premise right here, it would be this drawing, but because I can do this drawing and I can do this drawing, there's 2 other ways to do it, it's invalid. And so they try to show those same 3 pictures that I did. So there you go. It's invalid. Okay, this thing talks about something called the counterexample principle, and I don't usually use that a whole lot, so I'm running out of time again, so I'm going to stop this video and pick it up on the next one.